Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura and today I have for you a fall clean and decorate. This is part 2 of just my 2-part series. The first video I did most of my living room and I showed you what the kitchen looked like, and I didn't have that footage to upload, but I just went ahead and wanted to show everybody kind of what I did for decorating. So right now I'm just going to clean out my TV stand, and I'm not doing a super deep clean, just kind of spraying it down and wiping it down because it's been a while since I've cleaned these. And on my TV I'm rewatching, I guess you could say, the Wednesday series. I thought that was kind of appropriate for this time of year. And I don't know about anybody else, but it took me a really long time to get these things done. I just felt super overwhelmed, and like I kind of fell off last week with cleaning and keeping my house organized, and now it's kind of just really in bad shape. So I'm trying. I usually have Thursdays to get some stuff done, and last week I went out to dinner, and so I wasn't able to get as much stuff done as I normally do. So I think that kind of threw me off, and it's kind of difficult to kind of jump back on once something like that has happened. Right now, I'm kind of feeling like it's just really difficult at this stage in my life. I am working full time, and I also am doing some volunteer work on the weekends as I am doing the Habitat for Humanity program to try to help with getting a house. And part of that, you have to do some volunteering. And like I said, I'm just kind of feeling overwhelmed with not having enough time to get things done. I am a single mom of one, and it just sometimes feels almost like too much or just like a lot every day, every weekend, all the time, when you are the only adult in the household that is helping or doing all of the cooking and the cleaning and that kind of thing. So I'm just trying to remember how blessed I am, how lucky I am to be able to do these things instead of wanting to be lazy and kind of complain about them. Here is what my TV area looks like when it is all done. I really love the lights with the leaves on them. I think that looks really cute. I'd like to do some more Halloween or like spooky type stuff by my TV, but for right now, I'm just going to kind of leave it. I don't want it to look too cluttered or be too overwhelming. So now I apologize first off for this frame. I forgot to turn my camera the other way, so it looks a little bit strange, but I have a big shelf in my living room, and so I am just going to clean all of this off and then put up some decorations. I do kind of like this built-in shelf area, but I have so much craft stuff for my daughter and it just looks super cluttered over here. And so I considered either getting rid of some items or like putting them somewhere else because it just looks really overwhelming. I feel like there's like a huge crayon box, and then there's markers and paint and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm just kind of debating on what I'm going to do with all of this. And I don't want to like buy a bunch of things or like baskets or anything because I feel like before I know it, we'll probably be moving somewhere else. And so I kind of want to wait to see where I'm going to be able to put all of her craft items there instead of here. And so I'm just kind of waiting it out until that happens. So as you can see, I have pretty much gotten everything cleaned off, and now I'm just trying to organize my decorations to where I want them to go. And I feel like this can take a little bit of time and it might change a little bit just because you kind of have to see how it looks and kind of decide from there where you want things to go. So I kind of tried my best to fit things in where they worked well. I ended up getting, my mom got me a little like candy corn that lit up. So it looks a little bit different in the last scene just because of that. So I kind of moved things around a little bit. Here is my daughter helped with putting the sticky window clings on our patio window. So that's what that looks like. And then here's kind of the final result. It's in the dark just so that you can see the lights. I was watching Wednesday at this night. I feel like the leaves look really cool with the lights. There is a ghost blanket and then just kind of the tables that I already cleaned. And then that is my built-in shelf. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.